All right, here it is. My Demon engine coming out to go to Baily's. Got to pull out the new red eye and go back with the mighty Demon. Good Lord. 1,400 horsepower coming up. I'm here at Baily's Hyperformance. Oh man, it feels good to be in the house. What's up, brother? I'm at Baily's, man. Hey man, tell everybody your name and what you do.
My name is Javier Herrera and I am a Baily's social media man.
Hey man, this dude do some kick-ass videos, y'all. All right guys, it's all dropped off. We got the Whipple, we got the Rockler transmission, we got all kind of stuff dropped off, nitrous, and we got the engine. Man, let's come in here and look at some of these beasts over here at Baily's. First thing we're running into, guys, the fastest Demon in the world.
Alright guys, here you have it. Demon world record, 847.
How does it feel? Dude, that's fucking nuts, dude. That thing was pointed to the moon.
Dude, I got it all, dude.
8474.
Well,
We did it, babe. We did it, baby. 106 mile an hour. You're now looking at the fastest Demon in the country. Bam! Lower only, by the way. No nitrous. Motherfuckers.
I hadn't raced this Demon yet. It's the fastest, but I don't know if it's the quickest. And if you notice, it is a full interior Demon. He still has the interior in this Demon, which is something that I had got away from in my Demon and pulled some interior out. A slow marrow, okay. Hey, Baily's can do slow marrows. It ain't nothing wrong with that. Man, somebody done jacked old boy for his wheels, man. Y'all remember this growing up in the hood? You come out and all your tires is gone. Junior.
Yes, sir.
And what do you do, Junior?
I work on Hellcats, Dodges, just about anything you can do.
Nothing. Get on out here, Junior. He say you don't do nothing.
What's up, guys? My name's Daniel. I do most of the Jeeps, TRXs, all the bigger stuff. So this one is getting a 6.4 Hemi swap.
Oh, so this is the Jeep with the 6.4 Hemi swap.
This is the second one, yes.
The second one?
Yes, I just finished the first one. It's getting air conditioning in it right now and our alignment.
This man, he got jokes. He got jokes talking about my phone.
Hey, guys, welcome.
Man, quit. Look.
There we go.
Look, y'all. This joker. Hey, this joker mad because this phone don't come out till 2025, and he trying to clown me on my phone because he want it. He can't get it. He can't have it. He can't.
Here you go. Someone's calling.
Look at him. Stop, man. Stop. Hey, man, let me take that phone call, man. Let me take that phone call. Man, no wonder Chris is kept in check. Dang, you been working out, girl. God dang. You walking out here with no shirt on like that? God, dog. God. Hey man, I don't know what y'all be up to, man, but you better get your chores done, cause you done married Wonder Woman up in here. God damn.
Everybody's wondering how I got 2 kids.
Yeah, God damn. God dog, man. She the boss. All right, guys, check it out. I'm here with James.
I'm the lead helper. I do the best I can with what I got to work with. And
He ain't no lead helper. He's the lead mechanic. He's talking about the lead helper.
try to keep a good attitude.
Keep a good.
A system to go into the Sniper EFI, so it's got some spray bars in it.
Oh, nice.
Should give it about a 400 shot.
Wow. So y'all put spray bars in it.
Yeah, it's got spray bars, so it'll have up to a 400 shot available to the customer, depending on what fields he wants to put in.
Man, the only problem I see is we don't see nothing Manton in there. If you ain't got no Manton in there, come on, man. Y'all know I'm a mountain man.
Yeah,
No,
we might have to talk to Mr. Baily about
yeah, no, I was just joking.
Yeah, it's a twin turbo kind of sleeper kit that they manufacture and make. So we've got one put on this car that we've had completed for a little while, and got this guy here. This is kind of their newer, updated version. They made some changes to it. So
nice. Chris Baily, the man himself, and we're gonna go over the car to talk about the new things that we're gonna do to the car. So what do you have in store for the car, Chris?
We're gonna rip everything out of here, get rid of the red eye motor that was in there. That's coming out. And then we're gonna put the Bad Boy Demon motor in there. Start getting everything plumbed up, wired in, start getting it race ready, and then put the 400 in it, get rid of that manual junk.
Wait a minute, man. Yeah, get rid of that manual junk.
Ain't
that got me.
Fast cars are manual. So,
yeah, we got to get rid of that.
Shift boys,
Rossler Turbo 400. Bye, y'all.
Yep. And we're gonna get everything back in here. We're gonna try to shave some more weight. Place the weight.
Hey, man, what you talking about shaving weight?
Man, I wasn't gonna go down that road. You know, that was a little off camera. But right across the way. We'll talk to our meat guy. You know.
Hey, wait a minute, man. He's trying to get me in my fighting weight, man.
And turn it into a real race car now.
Man, hey, dude, I'm excited. I'm at the shop with the fastest demon. You do got the fastest demon, or is it
on record?
Is it the quickest or the fastest?
Fastest ain't quickest.
Wait a minute, man. That's two different things. That's two different things where I come from. I have not had a chance to race that with my demon, and well, but this is a different car though.
No, that's
so this.
Hey.
Oh, there we go. That's. Hey man, you know I love it. Lightweight.
I
know. Line them up.
Swing up, not down, right? So we're gonna get it. Yep. It'll be a good race.
It'll be a good race.
Yep.
It'll be. Hey, you gotta run the run. You can't talk the talk, right, Chris?
Yep.
A lot of people talk the talk, but they don't walk the walk. Hey man, what else y'all do here? People are asking me what all can be done at Baily's Performance.
Anything from cam swaps, intake headers, Hellcats, horsepower packages. We do Hemi swaps on Gladiators, Jeeps, anything. So if you've got a Dodge, we can build them. We make them fast.
The Dodge man. Hey, talk about your race team, man. That's what excited me, is that you guys really want to build a Dodge race team.
Yeah, so the race team is the next step for us. So what we want to do with the race team is help not only people once their cars are built, but get down the track. We can build a car, and shortly after that, they're just kind of scared of it, and they don't want to go down the racetrack. We want to help them get comfortable with it, go down the track, and then have the team to support it. If the car needs tweaks, changes. If people have goals, they want to hit, an 8.5.
Right.
It takes a team to get there to get that time.
So that means you guys are going to be at the track.
We're at the track with the car. We're helping them. We record the car, so we get a lot of data. We get a lot of information, and then we come back and we go over all that. Watch the car, see how it's doing, see what we can make. We keep books on everything, so down to half a pound of tire pressure to a pound of tire pressure difference. We keep track of.
Wow. What I have to do to get my beard game in the league where you at, man? Because your beard is like down here, and my beard is.
So this just, as soon as I win a 7-second, it just immediately
So that means my beard gonna be short. Hey, y'all ain't never been to second. My beard is short.
As soon as you hit 7 seconds, you grew another 2 inches.
Oh man. Hey man, look. Hey man, when I snatch the soul, maybe the hair on my balls gonna go. Oh man.
Getting 4.5 Whipple Hellcat dialed in.
Oh, it's a 4.5 Whipple.
Yeah.
This a red eye?
No, it's a regular Hellcat with red eye badges.
Okay. Okay, it's badged up. Yeah. That's the big boy right there. What's up, brother?
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Sir?
Doing good.
Right?
Doing good. Oh, you got the oldie but the goodie this time, huh?
But it's digital.
It looks retro.
It's badass, dude.
It's badass.
It looks old, but it's digital.
Is that better?
Yes, perfect. Ready? 3, 2. Yes, Herman.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Now hold it and look through the viewfinder.
Like you're gonna look.
Oh, you mean like we was little kids and had the little? Yeah, there you go. Look at here, guys. A viewfinder. Just like when we was little kids. Now who makes this camera?
Fuji.
Fuji.
This is a Fuji. This is a $1,400 camera.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. GoPro, me and you, we good. If you don't know, or you may not know, I'm at Baily's Performance, Baily's High Performance. So this is the new shop that I'm in that's gonna work on my car and get me fast to where I need to go. It's several reasons why I decided to come to Baily's, but why don't y'all just come in with me and you can see. So make sure to watch this step. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you about this. I know all about Baily's Performance. Yeah. This is the shop that I'm at because they do make the fastest cars, period, when it comes to Mopars.
Hey, I don't know if you put it in your video yet. You want to watch your step here.
Get out of here, Chris. Get out of here. Hey, man, he literally have people falling into the shop.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep. That's how I check for loose change in the pockets. If I hear it, I know we're about to do some upgrades. In here, like how we tore your engine apart.
This is the engine shop.
And all of the race engines are built in-house and using our guys that we use. So.
You know, one thing that he told me, he said, look, if you're gonna come and be a part of the team, I want to tear your engine down with you watching me because I want you to see what's in this engine.
Yeah.
And I'm under the impression if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
But I'm so glad that I had faith to let you tear it down because the engine was not what I thought it was. Let's just put it there.
Yeah. But we did put some of our tricks on it to kind of help make that better. So yeah, we've been in this for about 15 years. Mm-hmm. We've had our ups, our downs, our learning. Mm-hmm. You're not human if you've never had any ups and downs and learnings, but we stuck to it. We stuck to the game plan, and the plan was trying to be the fastest Mopar shop in the country, and I think we're rivaling.
No, you're there. You're there. Yeah, you're already there. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to get fast too.
And this one, when we pull the cab to change the oil.
Wow.
No, I'm kidding.
I was gonna say, God damn.
We pull the cab to change the oil.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. Man, that's gonna be a big ticket, man. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.